Hi, I'm Dave from Crystal Clear Hearing Aids. I'm going to show you how to replace a filter. Oftentimes the performance of a hearing aid can get weak or even dead. Most of the time that is because wax has clogged up the filter. So you can see on this standard hearing aid there's a little dome. That part of course goes in your ear. This just peels right off. And inside there's a little white filter, kind of like a miniature coffee filter. That often gets clogged with wax. So we have a filter changing kit here, and they're just little sticks. You just pull out the stick, and you take the little poker side here, and you just poke out the old filter, press in firmly, and pull that out. And then you turn this around, and it has a replacement filter already inside there. So now I'm going to put the replacement filter in. Poke that in and give it a good firm little tap, make sure it's on there. And then I'm going to replace the dome here. And there's a little hole right there you can see, and this just goes right in just like so. Make sure you put this on nice and firmly because we don't want this coming off prematurely. Once you put that back on, you should be good to go. And again, most cases, that's going to eliminate the low performance or even your hearing aid dying. Thank you, and hope you have a great day.